Hi, this is Pratima. I'm from Minneapolis, USA. Today I'm going to talk about how I entered into a meditation. I got into the meditation is because of the health issue. I had a severe headache which I was struggling all through the day and night. My parents have tried taking me to hospitals. I've got checked with the doctor. I was really not interested to take the medicines. I was a bit serious about the education, but this pain was not letting me focus on my studies. Then I reached out my brother. My brother learned meditation 6 years before I get into. So he used to motivate me to sit for a while. I thought, let me give a try, and he explained me the procedure. Then I took 45 days of challenge. So every day at 11 o'clock in the night, I used to sit for a meditation for 45 minutes. It's like 45 days, 45 minutes. On the 45th day, I noticed that this is the last day of my challenge. Then I recalled myself that the pain which I was struggling for 2 years vanished. Then I started believing that yes, there is something in this meditation. So I need to continue. Meditation really helped me to score a topper in my engineering. So I'm one of the toppers. I could fairly let the students know that meditation really helps us in education. Because of this energy, within less time, I could be able to learn a lot, and my memory power has been increased. So this is how it helped me in health, in education. Until now, I didn't had any serious health issues. So I took it as a research and I started exploring it. My energy level started raising. I could be able to sense people's feelings. Then I understood that my aura is expand. Aura is an extra body around our physical body, which have a capability to sense in different other bodies. Brahmarshi Pitama Subhash Patriji, he is my spiritual guru. He guided me in every level of my meditation. Whatever the question triggers in my mind, I used to reach him out and he used to clarify. So one fine day, I sat in meditation. I started feeling something moving in my body. I talked to my guru, what is happening? Then he said, that's an astral body. Astral body is one more body within our physical body, which is light, and we could feel that when our energy levels are high. I wanted to talk about how I got married and how did I choose my husband. But I'm really curious to see my soulmate, the one whom I already saw him through meditation. The same person, same appearance. He's the one. I got married to him. We are living a happy and spiritual life together. After 5 years, we decided to invite a soul, plan for a baby. I have a couple of knowledge about how to invite the soul. I understood that by taking a knowledge from my brother and my guru through some books. The wise souls choose us based on the energy levels we have during the sleep. I used to get messages that day I got to meet a person. He came from a different plane. He was saying that who is going to be my baby is a master soul. One of the beautiful thing I want to reveal is, as soon as my baby entered my womb, I know that he entered. I could feel that. So I went to my husband. I said, baby already entered my womb. I felt that there is a person in my tummy. I could be easily able to communicate to him, and he's also easily responding to me. When some kind of a situation happen, how I feel and how baby feels, I could be able to differentiate that. That's how I learned a lot about him. It's a time for him to come out, to get into my hands. It was a situation that my husband has to stay away. I want him to be the next person to hold my baby after me. I was feeling nervous how it will be. I really wanted him to be with me. He was giving me a strength, saying that don't worry, I'll be with you. Just call me, I'll fly and come to your place. At the same time, I'm also knowing that baby is also listening to me. Because we had a good conversation between us. Within few minutes, I started feeling the contractions. And we rushed to the hospital. This is one of the best moments. My baby entered into my laps. From the day one, he born, I started sharing him knowledge I have in spirituality. I had 6 years of journey with him. He's so smart kid. We three are strength to each other. And now my kid also sits with us for 30 minutes in meditation. I'll arrange the class. A lot of kids from age 4 to 13, a lot of kids and family comes to my place to meditation. All things I was able to gain only because of meditation. Meditation is an energy which will give you an ability to handle everything during your day life. Have fun, enjoy your life.